8 in 10 shoppers hit with an out-of-stock item due to supply chain disruptions. Now, I thought when I read this article that I was going back in time. I got déjà vu. I went in my time travel machine. I went back. I was like, no, no, no. I'm in 2020 suddenly. Apparently not. Apparently not, because this is going on now again. And I cannot believe it. I mean, I am shocked about this stuff. Look, more than 4/5, 82% of brick and mortar shoppers say that they experience items being out of stock this year. So here we go. I mean, yes, you're going to see it's a survey. Yeah, I get that. But it does tell you a story. Whether it's 82%, whether it's 60%, like whatever. It's a lot of people are experiencing it. And that shouldn't be. It shouldn't be. I thought we fixed the logistics. I thought we were going to bring all the manufacturing back home, but no.